Hi guys, it's Dee and welcome to Dee's Yard. Today I'd like to share a quick review on this new hardtop gazebo that I have covering my new deck and hot tub. If you are interested in watching how I built this deck, I'll be sure to link the DIY deck build as well as an electrical wiring and decor video down below. This is a brown hardtop gazebo with drainage gutters in the size 14 by 20 feet by Domi Outdoor Living, but all the outdoor gazebos are pretty much the same regardless of brand. I'll have the exact one I purchased linked down below. There were some damaged parts on arrival, but I just emailed the company and they handled it fairly quickly. Getting to this point in the beginning was fairly easy and really was just a matter of following the assembly manual. A tip for this project is to hand tighten all screws and then tighten fully at the end. I ended up having to loosen a lot of screws for future steps to ensure everything lined up correctly. To attach the legs to the deck, we used 5/16 inch by 4 inch structural wood screws. Before mounting, we ensured each screw would hit a joist or wood beam. If not, we installed wood blocking under the decking to get each structural screw installed properly. This part is very important. If anchoring to concrete, you would use 4-inch expansion bolts. This next part was the hardest. We chose to assemble the roof frame on the ground and then carry it over for installation, as recommended in the manual. This part requires a ladder, possibly 2 ladders, and at least 2 people, better if 3. You could also install each frame leg first and then assemble the top part above, not following the manual, and that probably would have been easier than to carry it over. Now for the roofing panels. This was like one giant puzzle, but with using these pain-in-the-butt clips. These clips were a nightmare while assembling. They are constantly falling off, which caused a longer process than it should have been. The last step is to install the bug screen and curtains which come with the gazebo. This project took us a long weekend to complete, about 3 days. Overall, I'm very happy with this gazebo and we've already gotten so much use out of it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll have the exact gazebo linked down below. Bye guys.